we're starting off with a layer of our Bisquick pancake batter in our greased bundt pan. Now I'm coming in with my eggs, and we are doing 6 whole eggs right on top of that pancake batter. You can scramble them if that's what you prefer, but I like them whole. I have my fully cooked Jimmy Dean sausages, and I already have this open, so we can just pop these out and place them right on top of our eggs. It's okay if they sink a little bit because that pancake batter is supposed to encase all of those yummy breakfast ingredients. So we're gonna do a total of 6 sausages with our 6 eggs. All right, and no breakfast would be complete without some Colby Jack. I absolutely love making this breakfast. It's super easy to just throw together all in one bundt pan. You can do this in a 9x13 or in a spring form, but this is my favorite way to do because not only does it taste good, it will look super pretty. So we're gonna do that one, maybe like half a bag of that Colby Jack. You can do whatever cheese you like. You could do a cheddar, a mozzarella, but I love Colby Jack. Now I want extra protein in this, so I have some cooked bacon, and we're gonna grab our kitchen shears and we're gonna cut our cooked bacon right on top of our cheese. Now you can add some crumbles of sausage into this. You can add some ham. You can add whatever breakfast meat you like, some chorizo, but I personally love the sausage patties and my fully cooked bacon. Those are my favorites and also my family's. Oh my goodness, look how easily this is coming together. Perfect. All right, now we're gonna come back with our Bisquick pancake batter, and we're gonna use the rest of that to cover up our breakfast. So it's all gonna be encased in pancake batter. You can do homemade pancake batter if that's your preference, but this is just so easy and so convenient. Great if you have guests over at your house and you need a quick and easy breakfast. It looks like I'm gonna need a little bit more pancake batter, so let me go ahead and get some. All right, let's get this finished up with the rest of our pancake batter. I'm gonna add a good layer right on top. Make sure all of those breakfast goodies are covered in pancake. So grab 2 of these when you go to the store, but this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna bake for about 50 minutes. All right, this is ready. We let it cool down for just a little bit, but it is time to flip this into our plate. Get that down. Give it a little. Ooh, look how beautifully golden our pancake mix came out. Oh my goodness. Now, this is optional, but I am a savory, sweet kind of girl, and I need some syrup on my breakfast. And my family agrees. So we're gonna do a nice little drizzle for our all-in-one breakfast. Ooh, she came out better than expected. So let's go ahead and cut a slice so we can see all that goodness that we got in there. Oh my goodness, look at that. It does not get any better than an all-in-one breakfast. Woo! I'm so excited to give this a try. That looks like the perfect bite. That is so good. Oh my gosh, you guys will love this.